Today on Forbes, this Thai coconut water won over China. The US could be next. When Pongsakorn Pongsak was growing up in Thailand, his preferred cooling drink was fresh coconut water. Widely sold by street vendors, it's extracted from young green coconuts that are cultivated in abundance in the tropical country. But when he traveled overseas as an adult, Pongsakorn looked in vain for that taste of home. The fruitless search ignited a business idea: packaging Thai coconut water for overseas markets. In a video interview from his company General Beverages Bangkok headquarters, the 45-year-old founder says, quote, "Our coconuts in Thailand have a lot of aroma, so I thought to myself, why don't we bring the good ones to the world?" Today, his IF brand of bottled coconut water, launched 12 years ago, is sold overseas through General Beverage subsidiary IFBH, an acronym derived from Innovative Food and Beverages, a company he runs as CEO. IF has become the top-selling coconut water brand in mainland China, the company's biggest market. Shanghai-based China Insights Industry Consultancy pegs IFBH's market share there at over a third, 28% from IF and 6% from InnoCoco, a coconut water drink it touts as a healthier alternative to conventional sports drinks. The two brands compete against a dozen odd players, such as local Chinese brand Del Garden, which also sources its coconuts from Thailand and has a market share of under 5%. Other rivals include homegrown Ching Sheng Drink, as well as American brand Vita Coco and Thai beverage company Mali Group's Mali Coco. Pongsakorn is confident that IF can continue to stay on top. He says, quote, "When people think about coconut water, IF comes up automatically. We want to keep our brand reputation at that level." In 2024, the company's sales surged 80% to $158 million, while net profit nearly doubled to $33 million. IFBH attributed the jump to buoyant demand for its drinks in China, which accounted for 97% of revenue last year. Privately held General Beverage, of which Pongsakorn owns 91%, had revenue of 3.5 billion Thai baht, or $108 million, and net profit of 101 million baht in the same period, according to a filing with Thailand's Commerce Ministry. Emboldened by his Chinese success, Pongsakorn is eyeing broader expansion. In June, he successfully listed IFBH on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, raising $145 million. The IPO attracted a swath of cornerstone investors, including Black Dragon, an investment fund backed by Supakij Sharavanat, chairman of Thai agribusiness to telecoms conglomerate Sharoan Pakpand Group, as well as UBS and a fund affiliated with Chinese VC firm Hang Shan. Writing in an email, Anissa Kirati Waranan, director of private equity at pre-IPO investor Fullerton Fund Management, a unit of Singapore's sovereign wealth fund Temasek, says, quote, "Beyond execution, the company's well-defined strategy, deep understanding of consumer preferences, and ability to leverage Thailand's unique coconut advantage to build a globally competitive brand stood out." The Thai CEO retains a 60% stake worth $700 million, which makes him one of Thailand's wealthiest. The minimum net worth to qualify for this year's Forbes list of Thailand's 50 richest was $420 million. Reaching this personal net worth milestone hasn't slaked Pongsakorn's thirst for growth, and he plans to deploy some of the IPO proceeds to expand IF in markets beyond China. Pongsakorn's ambition seems well-timed. With consumers becoming increasingly health-conscious, plant-based drinks, such as coconut water, have been one of the fastest-growing segments in the $1.1 trillion global soft drinks industry. According to UK research firm Euromonitor International, global retail sales of such drinks grew over 10% on an annual compounded basis between 2018 and 2024 to $4 billion, outpacing the soft drinks industry average of 6.6% over the same period. With its high content of natural electrolytes, coconut water has become popular as a low-sugar, rehydrating alternative to sports drinks such as PepsiCo's Gatorade. Pongsakorn sees, quote, "a huge opportunity" in the US, the world's largest coconut water market, with retail sales of $1.4 billion for 2024. IFBH wouldn't elaborate on how it plans to navigate the 19% tariff imposed by the US on imports from Thailand. For full coverage, check out Zinnia Lee's piece on forbes.com. This is Kieran Meadows from Forbes. Thanks for tuning in.